Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Sitebulb for technical SEO insights, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the Sitebulb URL. Press enter to navigate to the Sitebulb homepage. Once the website loads, look for the login button. Click on the login button. You will now see the login page. Here, enter your registered email address. Next, input your password. If you prefer, check the box to remember your login details. After entering your credentials, click the Login button. Wait a moment as the platform processes your information. Once logged in, you will be directed to the main dashboard. From here, you can access various SEO tools and features. Explore the navigation menu to familiarize yourself with the layout. To start a new project, locate the New Project button. Click on this button to initiate the project setup. Fill in the required fields to configure your project. After entering all necessary information, save your project settings. Once the project is set up, you can start analyzing your site. Utilize the tools available for in-depth technical SEO insights. Feel free to reach out to support if you encounter any issues. This completes the login process for Sitebulb. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.